Whoa, Brienne, what do we got here?
Looks like the hardtop of the Gladiator.
Oh, sweet. Looks like today we're going to show you how to convert your soft top Gladiator to a hardtop. Yes, we're putting a hardtop on the giveaway Gladiator, but before we can put it on, we've got to get the soft top off. So why are we going to put a hardtop on the Gladiator? Well, 3 reasons. It's going to be a little bit quieter, it's going to be a little warmer and drier, and it's going to be a little bit more secure. There's some questions about the factory soft top Gladiators, whether they have the defroster connections for installing a hardtop. On our particular sport model, we have this panel right here, and if we pop that panel up, there's our pigtail for the defroster. And we can flip it right up on top, snap it in, slide the lock in place, and then the hardtop comes with this little cover. And we're connected. To activate the defroster, just start the vehicle and push the defrost button. With the hardtop in place and bolted down, hooked up, now it's time for the freedom panels. Okay, with our freedom panels installed for the very first time, we want to check this gap along the back side, and we're going to measure it at 4 spots. We're going to measure it here and here on both panels. And what this is going to do is get these panels adjusted in correctly so you'll have good seal and a minimum of air noise. Now to measure it, we're going to use, this is a set of brake lining tools. And these are found at the local auto parts store. They're about 25 bucks. And grab the 8mm thickness and measure here and here and there and then that far side. Now we've already measured these out and we're good. Somehow we lucked out, we need to do no adjustment. But if on your hardtop install you do need to adjust them, there is a full step-by-step in the instructions that come with the hardtop. And it's basically just adjusting the brackets up front. And it's a trial and error type thing. Really easy to do. So there you have it. Your soft top Gladiator is now a hardtop Gladiator. And that's with genuine Mopar parts. And yes, it is quick and easy to do. Would you like to put a hardtop on your soft top Gladiator? Well, check the description box down below for a link to where you can get a Mopar, a genuine Mopar hardtop for your Gladiator from Northridge 4x4. Also, you'll find a link down there to find out more information on this giveaway Gladiator and how you can enter to win it, because somebody is going to win it. So until next time, hit that like button, leave us a comment. Do you have a soft top? Would you like to put a hardtop on? And hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell. That way you get notified each time we drop a new video on the giveaway Gladiator build series. Until next time, thanks Northridge Nation. Top Gladiator.